Can you sing song for Dada? Yeah. It has a boat. That's really awesome. There's a pool. Can go to the river. Let's take a look upstairs. Oh, oh. Nice. Let's see here. Now it's gonna rain, so got this little shelter. Yeah, this is very nice setup here. Amazing. I mean, can even fish from here. Ta-da. What?
I'm gonna go back this way.
Go fast. Okay. I got this.
I want to put this our house.
Yeah, we'll bring it home. You want to eat this meat? Okay, eat. Just bite it. Grab it. Bite it. Yeah. Uygur kızım benim ha. Say bye bye camping. Bye bye. Oh, you don't want to leave. Okay.